In this video I have a 2021 Toyota RAV4 and I'm going to be showing you how to manually get into the car. Now there's a few reasons why you might need to do this. One, your battery might be flat, but two, the central locking system could have malfunctioned. So to do this we're still going to use our key, but we're actually going to get our manual key out from the side. And if you don't know how to do that, here's a quick video. With the manual key now out, we can just walk up to the driver's door, and obviously this one is locked, and we can put this manual key in this part here, give it a turn. Now you can hear my central locking working, but that's because mine's still working. If your central locking's not working, then it would actually just open up the driver's door. And then even if you want to use it to lock the car, you can still do that by turning it to the right, and the car is locked again. So there you go. I hope that video can get some of you out of trouble. If it does, please give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.